Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be quick and in a hurry. So I did a new haul today. This is my first haul with Thrive Market. Woo! I'm super excited because I'm just super excited because there's like some healthy choices in here. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I did really quick. I've already opened up one of them and started eating them, and it's okay. It's okay. I say it's an acquired taste and something you have to get used to. And I've been working on new flavors and getting used to things. So yep, that's exactly what we're gonna do. So let's go and jump right on in. All right. So today I have cauliflower crackers. That was in my haul for today. So this is made with cauliflower. It's certified gluten-free and also made with vegan ingredients. And I'm actually excited to try these ones. Hopefully they taste like a little bit better than the other ones. They kind of taste like powder, in my opinion. But that's because it's made with almond flour. So next in the box is going to be Farmhouse cheddar crackers. Dun, 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 dun. These ones are actually okay, like I said. So they are naturally gluten-free, 4 grams of protein per serving, baked with RBST-free cheese. I don't know what that is. It says the ingredients that you'll fall in love with. So that might be one of the ones that might be the reason why I said they're kind of powdery. So it says that there's almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and cassava. That's the different things. So it also says the things that you can use to change it up a bit. A honey mustard dip or a BLT dip. So I'll probably be trying some of those things with these. Just trying to get on the healthy track, keep going. So I'm down 15 pounds, so I'm just trying to keep going. Really just want to keep going with it. So, and in the box comes this little thing here. Thank you for shopping at Thrive Market. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. It says I had 6 items and I had $23.80 worth of total savings. It's good for me. And it came right to my door. Actually, it didn't come right to my door because I had to go find it because we just moved still. And they couldn't find out where we are. So next one is, this one I haven't used this. I've been really wanting to use this because it's, like I said, I've really started to do my makeup more and just want to keep the skin beautiful and clean. Like right now I have so this is the Aztec Secret. This I only paid, I think it was like $5 for this. Not bad. It's actually the cheapest that I found it yet. Could be just me, but then again, everywhere that I looked is like $10 and up. So this was like $5.99. And so I just wanted to go with it. So I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in here, mix it up, and then put it on my face and let it sit there and bubble, I guess is what it's supposed to do. It says, feel your face pulsate. So that should be good. Then also I got some coconut wraps. They had some other ones too. They had like coconut wraps with turmeric in it and different. I haven't opened these up yet. So there's 7 of them in here. It says they gives you like different things that you can make with them, like so 7 days, so 7 ways in 7 days. A little help there. It's organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, paleo, vegan, raw, ethically sourced, and soy-free. So, and for 1 wrap, it is 70 calories, and there is 7 per the container. It says total fat 5 grams, saturated fat 4.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams. I think that's what that is. Sodium 10 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 6 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, sugars 3 grams of sugar. Yes, that's a win. Protein and 1 gram of protein. So I'm definitely going to try these. Probably gonna make like a sandwich or something. Then I got some Swerve because I've really been trying to cut back on my sugar intake. I've got to let it go. I've got 20 more pounds to lose by October. I'm nervous. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but I'm still going to keep working at just me healthy. So I got the Swerve, the granular style. So, ooh, there we go. Goodness. Sorry, y'all. So this is the Swerve. Jesus. Scoop a Swerve. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. And then last but not least, I think that's last but not least. 5, yeah. This is also what I got. I got the coconut amino sauce. It's supposed to be like soy sauce. So it says it's brewed in small batches of our coconut amino sauce is a gluten-free alternative to soy sauce. For tasty umami flavor, try it with sushi, salads, sauces, soups, marinades, and roasts. It's organic, non-GMO, kosher, gluten-free, soy-free, paleo, and vegan. So, yes, that is what I got to try that out. Let's see. And it says that it is 10 calories for 1 teaspoon. Oof. With 59 servings per bottle, with 0 total grams of fat, 160 milligrams of sodium. That's why it's a replacement for soy sauce. Total carbohydrates, total sugars at 2 grams, included 0 grams of added sugars, then 0 grams of protein. So I'm gonna try this out, like when it comes to me eating like soy sauce, like yeah, like my fried rice. I'm not gonna lie, I still like fried rice, you guys. I'll probably put this on there, a little bit of it. I'm not like a huge fan of soy sauce, but that is it in the box. So it comes in this nice cardboard box. When you open up, it's very pretty inside. So I do like the box. It's very cool. So thank you, Thrive, very much. No, this is not a sponsored ad. I did do this haul on my own, and I really want to try it out because I wanted to try out their 30 days free trial. So this was totally worth it. I will be continuing to pay for my subscription. This was awesome. So thank you so much, Thrive Market. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So if you guys have not already, don't forget to. All right, thank you, guys. I'll be back next week with another video. Bye.